Hey everyone, today we're finally unboxing the iPad 11th Gen. I'll show you what's inside the box, my first impressions, and a quick hands-on, so let's get started. I've been wanting an iPad like this for a long time, not just for watching videos, but to create more and chase something bigger. Today I'm finally unboxing the iPad 11. This iPad isn't just a gadget for me. I plan to use it for editing, drawing, gaming, and building content here on this channel. Let's finally open it. I chose the base model because sometimes simple is more than enough. Apple keep it simple, just the iPad, paperwork, and cable. But honestly, what matters is what we create with it. Alright, this is my first real look at it. This is the cheapest 11-inch iPad you can get, but the design is still really clean. The edges feel smooth, the build feels solid, and the buttons actually feels nice. The back looks simple, no distraction. The camera sits flush and clean, nothing crazy, but it looks neat. For a base model, this honestly feels really well made. It doesn't feel like a cheap iPad at all. Even though this is the cheapest 11-inch model, look at how clean the design still is. No cheap feel here. One thing I really like about Apple is how simple it is to transfer files from your phone straight to the iPad. Now let's see how drawing with just my finger feels on the built-in Notes app. It's actually really smooth. Lines follow my finger pretty well. Even though I'm not using the Apple Pencil, it still works fine for quick sketches or notes. For casual drawing, planning, or jotting ideas, this app is perfect. You don't really need the pencil unless you want detailed art. Honestly, for a base model iPad, being able to draw with just my fingers is already fun and useful. Let's test the rear camera. I'm just going to film a few things around the room to see how it handles. Even though this is the base iPad, the video looks surprisingly clean. Colors are natural, and details come out pretty well. Stabilization isn't perfect, but it's good enough for casual filming or quick clips. For YouTube or TikTok clips, this camera can definitely work if you just need simple, clear video. I like that Apple keep it simple. Open the camera app, choose 4K, and it's ready to go. No complicated settings. Now let's test some games. First up, Fruit Ninja. Let's see how responsive the screen is with just my finger. The screen keeps up really well, no lag so far. The swipe response is smooth and super satisfying to slice the fruit. Even on the cheapest iPad 11, casual games like this feel really fun and responsive. Now let's try Asphalt, a racing game. This one's a bit more demanding. Graphics looks good, the car handles smoothly, and there's barely any slowdown. Not 120 FPS, but still very playable. For casual gaming or on-the-go fun, this iPad can definitely handle it. That's it for today's unboxing and first impression of the cheapest iPad 11. I tried drawing, filming in 4K, and some casual games, and honestly, it's pretty impressive for a base model. If you enjoyed this chill unboxing vibe, hit like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to test next. I'll be doing more videos with this iPad, so stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!